Are you a manual tester looking to upgrade your salary? Or a fresh graduate confused about which automation tool to learn in 2025? Stop looking at Selenium for a moment. Today, we are talking about the hottest skill in the QA market, Playwright Automation using JavaScript and TypeScript. So, what exactly is Playwright? It is a modern, open-source automation framework created by Microsoft. It allows you to write code that mimics user actions, like clicking, typing, and navigating, to ensure a website works perfectly across Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Unlike older tools, Playwright is incredibly fast and reliable, reducing flakiness by up to 90% compared to Selenium. Now, why do we use it with JavaScript or TypeScript? Simple. The web is built on JavaScript. When you write your tests in the same language as the application, your automation runs smoother and faster. TypeScript is just a smarter version of JavaScript that helps you catch errors before you even run the code. It is currently the industry standard for SDET roles, with 70% of SDET roles preferring TypeScript. Who is this course for? If you are a manual tester, this is your gateway to automation. If you are a fresher, this is how you break into the IT industry as an SDET. And the best part? You do not need to know Selenium to start. You just need a basic understanding of HTML and simple programming logic. If you know how a for loop works, you can learn Playwright with proficiency achievable in 2 to 4 weeks. Let's talk about the job market, specifically here in India. The demand is exploding, with over 5,000 plus Playwright vacancies as of October 2024. Companies like Microsoft, Adobe, and top MNCs in Hyderabad and Bangalore are actively hiring Playwright automation engineers. For freshers, packages often start between 3.5 to 6 lakhs, and for experienced leads, salaries can easily cross 16 to 30 lakhs depending on your skills. This demand is projected to grow 40% in 2025, making it the #1 skill for manual testers and fresh grads. Playwright is not just a trend, it is the future of web testing. It offers 99.9% test stability and is used by 10% of Fortune 500 companies. Please contact Venkat, +91 905 9868 766. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech career updates. See you in the next video.